We are going to create a discount with the discount engine type product entity setting. So I got all, I've got the name of the discount here set up already. So I named it as the product setting discount. I want this to be available all the time. So I'm not going to make some changes in this definition data. What I want to choose for the discount engine type is the product setting. And I want to name this entity setting name for price. This is going to be the name that I am going to assign in the product as a product entity setting. And I'm going to show you how it's done later in a product sheet work or in a worksheet later. Okay, so I am going to name this as right now. I'm just going to do sale and entity setting. Okay, you can name this as you can name this differently. Okay, the default price here is I'm gonna choose 10. This so this is going to be your default price if the sale entity setting does not exist for that specific product. Okay, I'm going to do required quantity 2, and I'm not gonna change anything else in here. My filter here is I'm just going to do all the products that is in the wine department. Yeah. And I want to do all the price that's below $15, right? Okay. Right. So my department is wine, and I want everything that is below $15 or equal to $15. So I'm now done with, I'm sorry, that would be tools, then product change worksheet, and go to create new product change worksheet. For the reference number, I actually like putting the name of the discount as a reference in here. So I can do reference, reference, and then the discount name that I created. So product setting discount. Okay. Make sure you have the location selected where you want this discount to be applied, and okay. You can change property to change here to entity setting, right? And for the entity setting, that would be the name of the discount or the name of the entity setting that you selected earlier. And in this case, that would be um, sale entity setting. Okay, so I'm going to go back to here, entity setting, property to change entity setting, sale entity setting. Okay, I'm going to add a filter in here. So I'm going to choose um, the wine products that we added earlier. So I'm going to do department contains wine and price equals, it's going to be less than or equal to 15. And I'm going to add more um, filters in here. I'm going to do description contains solve, right? I'm going to add that filter, add all the filter products in here, right? So now these are all the products that will get discounted if I change the entity setting in here. All right, so my entity setting here, my regular price here is $11.99. So I'm going to change this to 9. This one, the next one, I'm going to change to 10. This is just going to change to 5. And the others I'm going to change to 3. This one, 12. I'm just doing this all randomly. Just remove, uh, discounting like $1 to $2 in here. So 3. It's going to do 11. It's going to be 10. It's going to be 7. All right. So I only changed a few here. Now what I'm going to do is what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to select the status and then set this to approved and then save this. Okay. So now we got the products in here for the entity setting. And now what I'm going to do right now is we're going to test this.